Hey guys, today in this tutorial we will use NVIDIA NGC catalog in order to deploy an object detection model with NVIDIA Triton Interface Server. Also I will announce 5 lucky winners who will get 5 DLI credits through DLI Credits Giveaway Contest. So make sure you will participate in that. In order to participate to that contest, you have to like and make comment why you need those DLI credits. I will go through all of the comments after the video crosses 1000k views and will announce 5 lucky winners in the channel community post. Okay, so let's get started. AI has reached a tipping point. AI workflows are complex, so NVIDIA NGC helps to simplify and speed up AI workflows. NGC containers enable you to focus on building AI. You can deploy anywhere. It's enterprise ready, performance optimized. There are a widely range of available with pre-trained models. So we are primarily using one of the NGC catalog, that is NVIDIA Triton Server, here in our project of deploying an object detection model using NVIDIA Triton Interface Server. So NVIDIA Triton Interface Server lets a team to deploy trained AI models from any framework like NVIDIA TensorRT, PyTorch, and many like that in our cloud storage or cloud platform or on any GPU. For this project, these are the prerequisites that we have to follow. We should have an active AWS account and IAM role and policies with Amazon EC2 container register full access in order to access AWS services. If you are not aware of these, you can just go to this documents and follow through. Okay. And after that, we have to launch an Amazon EC2 instance that uses NVIDIA Deep Learning AMI. And for our project, we are using P3 2x large instance, which give you access to V100 GPU. Also, we recommend that you can use P3.8x large instance that can give you V100 GPUs of 4. So you can also see it from here. It basically depends upon your need and requirements of the project. So basis on that, you can choose anything from it. So let's go to the AWS console and jump into the EC2. And we will launch an EC2 instance. Here we have to choose NVIDIA Deep Learning AMI. We can find it in the AWS Marketplace section, and this is the first one is that we have to use. So in this AMI we will get the following instance type, and this is the hourly cost. So just continue. In this page we have to select P3.2x large, so just okay, we have already selected it having 8 vCPUs, so we have to just go to next step, hit on next. 32 GB is assigned. Next, we have to add a tag here. Security group is fine for this demo. Launch, and we have already created a key pair, so we will be using that only for this. launch. Okay, so it is launched now. Just go back to the EC2 console. So right now it is in initializing state. We have to wait for a minute or two. Okay, so now it's online. We have to copy public TNS and we have to connect to this instance using putty. We have to use existing key pair that we have selected. So I have already making this as a ppk file. So we are just connecting it here right now. Okay, we have to log in as Ubuntu. Switch to root. Okay, that's done. Now our next step will be to install it with CLI. Okay, done. Now we have to install this. WS key ID. We have just created a new user for this project only. So we will be deleting this user after the project. So access key. Region is US East 2. Okay, that's done. So now we have to deploy object direction model with NVIDIA Triton Interface Server. First step will be you have to pull Triton Interface Server from NVIDIA NGC catalog. So first we have to go to NVIDIA NGC catalog and choose Triton Interface Server. And we have to click to subscribe. Continue to configuration. Select a container NVIDIA Triton Server. Choose the latest version. It is the latest version. Continue to launch. So it is launched right now. So this is the image. So after launching, we have to do docker pull, and before that we have to run this command. One thing that we have to Okay, login succeeded. Now we have to do docker pull and we have to copy this image. So it will be taking a while. Just hang on. So it has been completed. Now we have to go back to our document and we have already seen this output. So our next step will be downloading a pre-trained model and create an object detection service. For that I downloaded the dense convolutional networking model based on ONNX Runtime backend. This being the capability to train existing model through optimized backend. So in order to set up, we have to do the following things. In the present terminal, okay, I've created. Now we have to download the DenseNet model using this command. Okay, done. Now to download the associated Triton configuration files, we have to run this command. Okay, completed. Now we have to download a list of 1000 levels that the DenseNet model is trained to classify objects with, run the command with the following. So we have to run this. It's done. Now we have to deploy DenseNet model to serve object detection request using this. And here we have to copy the container URI. So for that we have to open Notepad and go back to the previous screen, copy the image, replace it. Now we are good to go. So it has been started. As you can see, this server has been started. So congratulations, we have just deployed object detection service. Now we have to see our model in action. For that we have to launch Triton Interface Server. So again we have to go to the NVIDIA catalog, and this time we have to select client SDK variant. Go on Triton Interface Server, continue to subscribe, continue to configuration. Deliver method should be client SDK. Choose latest version. Continue to launch. Now we have to pull the Triton Interface Server. For that we have to just do docker pull, but we have to open a new terminal. We have to just keep this terminal open. Duplicate session. Login as Ubuntu. Docker pull. Hit enter. Again it will take some time. So the Docker pull request has been completed. Go back to documentation page. You can see the output as this one, digest SHA. That is good. Now we have to run this command. And we have to use the container URI of SDK1. Copy this and go back to terminal. Run it. It's done. So you can see has prompt, it is successful. Now to test our object detection service, send an interface request by running this command. Okay. So the Triton server as client SDK container has the following below example of coffee mug preloaded to the test server. Okay. So the object detection server accurately tags the image of coffee mug, and we will see the output. So you can see the output as coffee mug, cup, coffee pot for the below image, and the successful it will return the following statements. So it is already being reflected. So as you can see here, our object detection service has been properly working now. So let's do the just basic cleanup. We will just go to the instance and we will just terminate it, so it will not cost you more bucks, right? So it's already being terminated. And also let me know in the comment section what different kinds of models you want to deploy using NGC catalog. And also do like, share and subscribe this video. Just a reminder, we will announcing 5 lucky winners and provided them DLI credits. Okay, that's all for now. Bye bye. Take care.